Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. The music room, one of the beautifully furnished first-floor rooms, was primarily a public space devoted to entertaining guests. In the early 20th century, music represented refinement and culture, particularly for the wealthy. Musical entertainment was such an important aspect of home life that a music room was often set aside in affluent homes for that purpose. The McFaddin's music room features a handsome 1905 Iverson Pond baby grand piano, which records show was in the room as early as March 1907. The maple wood floor is covered with a deep green rug custom cut to fit next to the diagonal fireplace. The fireplace is French Restoration style with green tile. A coal grate was installed in 1907, soon after the home was built to increase fuel efficiency. The grate, a model called the Monarch, had an original cost of $21 to $24. Beautiful birch woodwork stained in a mahogany shade adds grandeur to the room. The wall covering is a replacement similar to the original paper. It was made by John Edward Hughes in the Shibu pattern. The music room windows on the east wall look out into the sun porch. The sun porch was not enclosed until late 1910s, early 1920s, so the music room windows originally looked out onto the open wraparound porch and east side of the property. The light green draperies are replicas of the originals. The musical motifs give a subtle hint to the room's purpose. A photograph taken of the room in 1909 shows objects such as the piano and the rug that are currently on display. Schedule an admission-free tour of the historic McFaddin-Ward House Museum to see the magnificent features of the music room in person.